Today we are looking at a Clipper 69D. This unit has been brought into the shop, completely checked over, and is ready to go to work and run for a long time. This unit is equipped with a ball door, 3-phase, 7.5 horsepower, 208, 230, 460 volt, 3-phase electric motor. Just do a general walk around of the unit. As you can see, this unit has been sold by Commodity Traders International. Have our badge on it. Unit has full set of safety shields. Unit is in good overall condition. This unit is equipped with the Commodity Traders International ball trays as well. Here you can see the Commodity Traders International rebuild tag. This unit is going to its new home and will be shipping here in about an hour. So we wanted to do a full walk around and demonstrational video of the machine in action. This unit comes with 2 additional screens. The unit was sold with corn and bean screens. Here you can see the corn screens. This is just a very nice seed cleaner all the way around. It's been completely rebuilt. We're going to fire the unit up for you now. As you can see, the unit hums right to life. There are no irregular noises. All of the variable speeds check out. Everything adjusts as it should. All of our cranks are adjustable, as they should be. The variable speed lower fan adjusts as well. Hopper adjusts freely. As I said, this unit has been set up with the Commodity Traders International ball tray system. You can see we have excellent ball agitation to keep the screens clean. This unit does not use the high wear component traveling brushes. It is set up on ball trays, just like a modern machine would be. Just hums right along as it should. The unit is also equipped with a hopper engagement clutch. You can shut that down at the end of the day so the unit can clean out. We would turn this crank to adjust our flow of the hopper. We would turn it counterclockwise to close the hopper or decrease the flow of product. Moving on, we have our lower fan, variable speed right here. You would turn this counterclockwise to increase the speed of the lower fan. Here we have our top air adjustment crank right here. This crank, the result of this crank will come out of this chute right here. You would open this up. If you open this up full bore, a lot of good product would come out here. You only want 1 or 2 good soybeans or pieces of corn to come out here. That's how you set your top air. Here we have the back air synchronizing crank. This piece of ribbon here will flutter. You want this to flutter with a slight inward pull, and you have to synchronize the bottom fan and this crank, and you synchronize it and set it by the fluttering ribbon right there. Be a quick overview of the machine. The dirty product is introduced right here, and it goes into an air column here, and it is separated by the top air. Then it is dumped onto the top scalp screen, then it goes on to the scalp sift screen below. So the dirty product is introduced there, and your clean product comes right out there where that decaling is. Anything that is too large to be scalped, by this very top scalp screen will come out of the catch-all here. be deposited there into like a 30-gallon brute tub or Rubbermaid tub. Here we have our top air liftings right here, again adjusted by that crank. We have our top screen scalpings here, and we have our lower screen siftings here, and again the clean grain comes out down there. This unit was readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. However, this unit is sold. We have several other units like this available, ready for rebuild, mechanically sound, or as-is purchase. Please feel free to reach out to us for all other seed grain, feed, recycling, and research equipment. A link will be in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching.